Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my used vehicle pick of the week, the 2017 Ford Fusion Sport. This vehicle only has 22,778 miles on it, which is actually 8,168 miles below market average. This all-wheel drive vehicle comes with a 2.7 liter V6 engine, an automatic transmission, and 19-inch premium painted tarnished dark alloy wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have half cloth, half leather gray seating throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we do have a standard radio, heated seating, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.